Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be using pistol and machete. So let's get into this today. And this is actually my first challenge, so let's get into this. So,
Probably YouTube clickbait. I don't know.
alright. Yo, who wants to,
Probably clickbait. I don't know.
who wants to 1v1 me?
I'm not 1v1ing you because you're a higher rank than me and you're gonna cook me. Oh, that's what you keep saying rematch.
Yo, I'm using pistol only though. I'm using
I'm a
pistol.
baby and then I'm gonna rematch you.
I'm using pistol only.
Okay, man. You're right there.
Bro. Today I and I still have 2 more before I get my next.
So let's go into this. Alright guys,
So you said pistol only, huh?
we're gonna be using pistol only and machete, like I already said.
Are you recording?
Definitely not.
You realize you're recording without my permission, right?
What? This guy just said I'm recording by his permission. It's my permission, not his.
Match started.
Pistol only, guys, and machete. Pistol, machete, pistol, machete.
Round
Let's
started.
go to this. Come on, nah.
Bro, I thought you were using only pistol.
Well, I mean, I have to have something to move around with.
Oh, no. I thought that was a Deagle for a second. I thought that was.
Round starting.
No, it's not, bro. Aw, GG.
250? It's insane.
Yeah, the Deagle's pretty insane. I mean,
You know what? To go easy on you since you're only using pistol.
Round starting.
alright.
I just hit you.
I got this guy's already raging
How did you
because
not die?
I'm doing pistol only. Let's see if we can win, because I got a really high streak, so I don't want to really win.
Round starting.
You have a long time streak. Oh, you just made me go try hard, man.
This guy was pretty low.
You just made me go try hard mode now that you told me you have a streak.
Alright, now we gotta win, because this guy's saying try hard.
Round starting.
He's using that.
Eagerly googly. You might win since my battery's at like 1%.
Round starting.
Guys, I'm actually just kidding. I only have a 2 streak.
I'm still going try hard mode on you because I don't know that for sure. I don't know that for sure, so I'm still going try.
So yeah, I think we just beat him.
Did you just call me racist?
Round
And
starting.
then this
Did you
guy's...
say it's racist season?
Oh, wait. I got
I can't believe I
100.
did that.
You know. Okay, we gotta win. We can't lose.
That's
Round
just
starting.
not my problem. Hey, I thought you were only using. Hey!
My pistol's out of
Everyone on the
ammo.
video recording, he's cheating.
Yeah, guys, just ignore him. I said machete and pistol. I said pistol.
Round starting.
Nah, if you're gonna cheat, then I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna use. Go try hard mode on you. Yep.
And
Yep.
I just lost my streak. Wow. Rematch. Now rematch. This is a pretty... I think almost every YouTuber will do pistol only challenges. But I use this to move around, and if I'm out of ammo, then I use it. So we're still
I can't believe our still won. Oh, how do you have a 6 win streak?
sometimes it glitches. So
Match started.
Didn't I just defeat you?
guys,
Round starting.
we are trying to
Win
win.
streak? You're also trying to not get caught cheating in the game files because you are having.
And this guy's saying I'm cheating. I don't even know how to barely edit my videos. How am I supposed to cheat?
Round starting.
Yo, I barely know how to edit my videos. How do I know how to cheat?
Not cheat in the game, but like cheat in the game files. Like,
No, I don't.
Just a video and I'm 6 game wins.
I don't even know how to edit. How am I supposed to cheat, bro?
Round starting.
Maybe just because you're mind controlled.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, and I just died. But it's fine, guys, because we can still win.
I just saw that you have a 6-win streak. I'm going try hard on you again.
I just got
Round
done for
starting.
him because I'm behind this solution. He's just sad because he don't have a like me.
What the heck?
And it's probably done. Try hard man. That's why he's still winning because I really want to
starting.
prove my point that I'm kind of good. We got winning 4-1. I can't believe it. This is my first time using this only challenge. We're winning.
Round starting.
This is actually the second time technically since this is the second round.
First video.
Oh.
So yeah, guys, my first challenge
Round starting.
on. And he just absolutely sprayed on me.
Yeah.
But it's fine because I think we can still win. We won all those other rounds, so we can win
Round
this
starting.
one. Oh yeah, guys, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. No, please don't cook it.
Round starting.
Alright, guys. Can we like the last round? Yeah, we won! We won! We won! We won! Alright, guys, I think that's gonna be home. I might go into team deathmatch. So I'm not sure we're gonna do like another 1v1. Yeah, who wants to 1v1 me? I'm using pistol only and this.
But do not just play a game with me. I know.
No, I can't call it. It's not.
I just score for nothing. Promo code for 500 coins.
No.
Merry Christmas. It's the good. It's Merry Christmas. Wait, how do you spell Merry Christmas? Someone tell him now. Oh no.
Guys, this is a Merry Christmas. You do this. Space. In space.
Apex Major, can you join? Like, go on the enemy.
Guys, I'm not gonna get in here still.
Please.
You're literally right next to my rank.
Kill me. Merry. Mama, how do you spell Christmas? Wait, Mama, how do you spell Mary? Wait, what?
Bro does not seem like a man.
Hold up.
Bro, me? Probably is. Yeah, you.
M
Why are you saying that?
E or Y.
Christmas.
Oh, I got it. I got it.
Apex Major. Where's my Apex Major?
What? M-A what?
Let's go.
M-A-F.
Peter.
No. I meant
You got the coins?
to click that.
Yeah, but it's 600 coins. No one with the rank gorilla challenge.
Yes.
Bro,
T-A-M-S.
600 and I have started not even No, but like actually, how did you get? No, I actually do that.
Sit down.
No, who's
5. Oh.
It should be here. If it's not, then go.
Yo, who wants to know a promo code? It gives you 500 coins.
You didn't say anything.
I come over here.
Hold on, someone's telling me to
It's
follow Cobra.
Merry Christmas.
I don't listen to Fatal Ones. Let's go. And I don't listen to Fat Joe.
Hold on, let me.
And then I got these 40 coins. Yeah, I do it today. Um,
So Mary.
So, did you
Mary had a little lamb, chick chick man, chick chick man. Mary had a little lamb. Hashtag with Mary.
Alright guys, like we're gonna do 2v2s with Pistol Online. Just this one match, and that's gonna be all. Crap, I'm cooked. I
Nah,
am
you aren't.
absolutely
I'm real
cooked
good
because
at
I'm
this
doing
map.
Pistol Online, guys.
I think these guys might.
Okay, guys, we
Match
may be
started.
cooked, but
Dude, it's a big it's a bigger monkey and a
started.
big lead monkey. And the biggest monkey.
maybe not. But
How
I'm
are
just
we
saying
cooked?
because I'm doing a Pistol Online challenge.
Oh, okay. You wanna do that? Wanna play like? You wanna play like this, buddy? I can spam too. Hey, like that. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Good. Cut this, boy.
Thank you, teammate. Alright, guys, my teammate just absolutely cooked him. I barely did any damage. 'Cause
Alright.
I know I barely did any
Alright,
damage because I
Round
got
started.
pistol.
Let's go.
My
Alright,
teammate absolutely cooked him. So we're just doing.
Alright. One down. One to go.
And I just absolutely cooked him. Alright, guys, this is pretty long. It's pretty long of a video. I'm gonna have to quit now. Hey guys, I'm gonna have to quit in 2 seconds, but like and subscribe
Give
for
me
more
some money.
content.